Let's start with the scary ones and work our way up, step by step, into full-on hellish nightmares. Coming in at number 7, the burning ice planet. Gliese 436b is one of the most terrifying planets you could ever come across. A scorching gas giant about 4 times larger than Earth, orbiting extremely close to its star. Now let's talk about what makes this planet so horrifying. It's believed that the entire surface of the planet is covered in insanely hot ice that can reach temperatures above 450 degrees Celsius. Okay. I know, this sounds ridiculous and makes absolutely no sense. But relax, you're lucky, because I can read. So let me explain it a little better. This weird, superheated ice isn't formed by cold, it's formed by the planet's immense atmospheric pressure. But instead of me just listing terrifying facts about these nightmare planets, let's make this more fun. I'm going to place you on each one of them, so we can see exactly what would happen to a human under these extreme conditions. Let's begin. You're now inside a modern spaceship, and you're about to enter Gliese 436b's atmosphere. Congratulations, terrible decision. The spaceship instantly starts overheating, and its structural components begin to warp and deform thanks to the planet's atmosphere, which is mostly made of superheated helium and hydrogen. Around the 30-second mark, things can go one of 2 ways. The ship could get crushed like a soda can from the rising pressure, or it could completely vaporize from the hellish heat. Wow, you survived 30 seconds. But for the sake of the video, let me do you a favor. You're in an indestructible spaceship and you managed to safely land on the planet's icy surface. So what happens next? The moment you step outside, all the moisture in your body instantly boils, then evaporates into nothing, killing you within seconds. Alright. My soft heart can't take it. Let's try again. This time, you're wearing an indestructible spacesuit. As you step out of the ship, you see the glowing ice-covered surface, and you can feel your suit vibrating from the violent winds. You look up and you're greeted by a dark black and red sky. Powerful lightning storms light up the atmosphere, revealing massive, savage storms all around you. Honestly, compared to what's coming next, this is almost peaceful. 6th on the list, the terrifying gas planet HD 80606b. This is another absolutely horrifying planet. It's a hot Jupiter gas giant with an extremely elliptical orbit, and it's about 11 times Earth's radius. What makes this planet so scary is the insane temperature swings it experiences as it travels from deep space to nearly brushing its star, over and over again. When the planet reaches its closest point to the star, the temperature jumps from 450 Fahrenheit to over 2000 Fahrenheit in just 6 hours. I know, it's hard to picture numbers like that. So let me put it in a way we can all understand. 450 Fahrenheit makes a nice pizza, and 2000 Fahrenheit makes a terrible pizza. Hope that helps. Let the simulation begin. Once again, you're in a modern spacecraft, and you're about to enter the planet's atmosphere. And of course, you're entering at the hottest possible moment. The second you break into the atmosphere, your ship's speed starts increasing insanely fast thanks to the planet's gravity. Within seconds, the outer surface of the spacecraft climbs past 7,000 Fahrenheit, and that begins to eat away at the heat shield. Around the 30-second mark, you're descending through violent storms, extreme winds, and savage jet streams, while parts of your ship are literally melting and vaporizing. Congratulations! You survived half minute. A brand new personal record. Let's try again. But this time, you invested in Bitcoin when it was 10 cents, and now you're rich enough to buy an indestructible spacecraft. So what would happen if you stepped outside the ship at the planet's floating level with no protective gear? In less than a millisecond after the hatch opens, you'd be crushed into paste, and then you'd completely vaporize into the metallic ocean below. Now, to the one person at NASA who accidentally left this video autoplaying, even if you stepped out wearing a modern NASA spacesuit, you'd still get crushed into paste, and then you'd still vaporize completely. Because the atmosphere is millions, maybe even hundreds of millions, of times more pressurized than Earth's, and apparently those metallic oceans are also very hot. Let's try one more time. This time you're wearing an indestructible, ultra-advanced spacesuit. What happens now? The moment you exit the spacecraft, you instantly lose sight of it in the hazy, glowing endless ocean around you. You can't tell which way is up or down, you feel like you're drifting in an infinite void. Suddenly, electrical currents ripple through the atmosphere and flash for just a moment, lighting everything up. It's literally a nightmare, like being stuck in an ocean level in a video game forever. 5th place, the disappearing planet. Kororo 7b is one of the hottest rocky planets ever discovered. Ah, it disappeared again. I guess it went to part 2. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss Kororo 7b and more.